welcome back to another vlog. I am Mimi Brown, and y'all, ignore these eyebrows, okay? Because like, I was like, oh, I'm going to do my makeup, and I'm going. Then I was like, yeah, no, I don't feel like it. So I literally just stopped. I don't even think I might only have one eyebrow on. I don't know. I'm struggling. So y'all listen, pray for me, okay? And while you're praying for me, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Today, what we're going to do is, well, let me just give you a little background story real fast. So I was going to decorate my daughter's, plural, playroom. And y'all went down there and looked in that playroom. And when I tell you, I have no idea why it looks like that, because I literally just cleaned it up the other day. But anyway, it is what it is. So I'm going to regroup because I still want to film this video. So what I'm thinking I can do is over here, I'm just going to go ahead and try to decorate this. I hope this tree fits. I don't know if it will. I hope you just go ahead and knock this out. Try to decorate this little tree. This is the tree that used to go in my oldest daughter's bedroom. But, you know, she thinks she a little baby teenager now, so she thinking she too old for this stuff now. But anyway, I'm going to try to, like I said, just make this like a little area for them. I hope that it doesn't get on my nerves too much, because y'all know I don't really do a lot of these pinks and reds and stuff. So 2 sets of these ornaments here that I'm going to put on there. And then everything, these are from Target, and these were, I think, these were $10, which were more than I wanted to play. I don't want to play with that money either, but were more than I wanted to pay, but I got them. So I have these, and then everything else is from Dollar Tree that I'm going to use. We'll see what we're going to do. Let me get some scissors. I hope my baby hasn't moved some scissors. Clip it with some scissors. Clip it with some scissors. Okay. I don't know. I'm just hyping my own stuff up. Y'all know how it is. Y'all remember that song, Project Pat Up in the... I think that was it. Scissor. Wasn't that Project Pat? Comment down below if that was Project Pat. Comment down below who that was. I think it was Project Pat Up. Project Pat Up in... Anyway, I can't get some of these off. Because, see, that's why I don't know why they put out that. Yeah, so, this is my serious face, y'all. I wasn't playing here. I was like, I'm about to decorate this tree. It's going to be amazing. I don't know what I was thinking, but y'all see that serious face? You know you serious when you start perching your mouth together like you really doing something. Yeah, I don't know. I just entertain myself. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just adding in some of the different picks here and the ornaments and just trying to make it look like, you know, something out of somebody's kitty magazine for Valentine's Day. But anyway, I think it's going to end up being cute. And yeah, so I like it. Hey, there it is. I think it looks okay. Small, tried and true, trusting little blanket. Do I have anything I could? No, just use what you got. Okay. How's that? Cool. That'll. Like I said, the way they had these boxes, like they, you know, were 14 karat gold, or dipped in platinum or something, maybe I can use these. It's just like some more decor. Here, let me show y'all this. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that cute? It says "Be Our Guest," and then it has a little Wi-Fi password. Won't have any guests coming, but you know, we can act like we do, so we're going to put that up like we have guests coming. It's so cute. Okay. Then I just got these 2 little buckets. Again, from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to put some, little suckers in there and call it good enough over here. gotta re-sweep my floor because all this flocking is everywhere. Everywhere. Oh, look at it. It's cute. I know my daughters are going to love this. I can't wait for them to see it in a few minutes. Yay! Because here are all the things that I'm going to use to decorate the kitchen. And so again, my kitchen's not huge at all, so it's not like this is about to take long at all because it's not that big. But I'm just going to use all of these little things. I found these little like boards or razors. I think they would be called risers. Found these little risers. Probably won't use them. We'll see. Got these little florals, which you guys saw in my Hobby Lobby haul. These two. Anyway, y'all, we're just going to try to see if we can make it do something. Use this to put these in that I normally have sitting out. So, do that. I have another little razor. Why do you want to call this a razor? I have another little riser that I'm going to use that's also, let's say it together. Where's it from? Hobby Lobby, exactly. Told y'all. Hobby Lobby. Olive tree from, I think this is from Amazon. Then my little oil thing. Remember this? A little oil thing is so cute. All I can say in this spot is trial and error. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying some stuff and hoping it looks okay. Y'all, this corner right here is so hard for me to like figure out how to style. Ignore all of this. This was a DIY, first of all, that me and my homegirl we did. We didn't really know what we were doing then, but like now we kind of have had some practice, so I really want to redo all of that, but it's another thing for another day. But anyway, I hate styling this corner. It's just like really hard for me. So like I was saying, this corner gives me the blues, and I don't know why, but it's just like really hard for me to decorate how I like it, but I think I came up with something that looks okay. Okay, so y'all see it? I actually like it better on camera than I do in like real life. Usually it's the other way around. That's cute. You're cute. Okay. Then I want to get one like this, an actual like recipe holder, but I don't have one, and I'm not buying one right now because it ain't in the budget. So I'm just gonna use this what is this called? This little thing. I'm just gonna use this. Y'all can't words, I'm telling you. I'm gonna use this for now. Just put that there like so. Then y'all, this is literally what I saw this Drew Barrymore what is this called, Dutch oven, that made me want to do this color scheme. So yeah, definitely gonna put her out on the stove like so. Kind of cute. Let me turn it on. Ah! Almost fell. Bella almost fell. She's like, okay, because you're clumsy. Okay, yeah, that's cute. Okay, so then I had this, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna use this. I had these. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna use this. Because I don't see anywhere to put it. So I'm just not gonna worry about that. But I have all of these little vases, and I was kind of like playing around with this, like sitting up here, because I like this. I usually have this in my entryway, but you know, for somebody who works off of a budget, that's the greatest tip that I can tell you to do, is to shop your home, and like moving things around your home just kind of gives it a fresh new feel, fresh new look. So in my head, I'm gonna put this here. And these came in a bunch and I cut them off because I figured, I don't know, why not? I don't know, y'all. Y'all know I don't be knowing what I'm doing or wanting to do. So let's just see what we can get done. You still can't see me, god darn it. So here I'm just trying to arrange these flowers in some type of way that I actually like. I kind of like made a mistake by cutting the bunch up before I actually took the time to figure out how they would look inside the vase. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. It's done now. And I came up with something that looked okay. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, that's what it is. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to call that good enough. So this is how my little small kitchen turned out. And I think it looks cute with like, I remember we did this the last video, so ignore these pillows. I don't know. Guess they go on the girls' beds or something. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, it's cute. So we have this little area. It looks cute. Then the little Dutch oven. Then this little area. Cute. This is just because y'all live in a small space, so you know you gotta have your appliances. And then this. So yeah, I think it looks cute. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end this vlog here for today. I hope you all have truly enjoyed today's video. I know that my style may not be everyone's style, and hey, that's okay. That's what makes the world such a beautiful place, is that we can celebrate all of our differences at the same time. But I would love to hear your suggestions and your comments, so I ask that you please leave me some constructive criticism down below. And as always, I hope that you all will like, comment, and subscribe and share my video. And remember, taking the first step can be the hardest step, but it can also be the most rewarding. Go ahead, step out on faith, trust God to see you through, and know that everything else will fall into place. But while you're at it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share my video. And until next time, I love you much and I'll see you soon. Bye.